Friends, as we all know, Paint is a software of drawing and painting. But when there is a question to write some text in Paint, then how we will write? So here we are with this answer. Let's show you how to write some text in MS Paint. First of all, we will open MS Paint and click on this text tool A, where A is written. It is a text tool. As I am hovering my mouse, it is written text bracket T. Bracket T means it can also start with opening Control T. I am clicking on A and see my text option have enabled. Now my cursor, if you see the cursor, it has also been changed to text style. Now I have to decide where I have to write. Now I have to write here, so I will click here using mouse and I will write whatever I want to type. For example, I am typing info tech computer education. If you see while typing, my text has gone in the next line, but I want that my text should be in the same line. Infotech computer education should come in the same line. So what I will do right now, I will change its edit box. This is the edit box which is appearing on the border of this text, and these are the edit buttons. I will change its size. I am stretching it till it comes in the single line. See, now it has come in the single line. Fine. Now it is already underlined, but if we want that it should not be underlined, then we will select the text and click on this U. U means underline. It will not be underlined. If you want it to be underlined again, then again select the text, or you want infotech word only to be underlined, then select it by double clicking the word. Click on U, it will be underlined. You want computer should not be in bold, because I have already selected B, so I am selecting this word computer and clicking on bold B. It will not be. Remove this underline and it will not be bold. So see, now B has not been selected, bold has not been selected, so computer is not in bold words. If you want that something else writing should be there, it is not looking good, you can change the font also. In simple terms we say it writing, handwriting. If we want to change the font style, we can select it and then we can select any one of our choice. Choose anyone. For example, I am choosing this Comic Sans MS. So it has come. See, again it has gone in the next line. I will use these edit buttons to come in the next line. If you want it to be underlined again, do it underlined. Italic, it will be italic. Bold, italic, underline. If you want to change its color, you like now it is coming in black color. I want to change its color, then I will select the whole text or whatever I want to do the change in color. I have selected the text. Now I want to change the color. Which color I want to select, I will choose that one and click on that. See, the color has been changed. If I want that only education color should be changed, I will select that and click on the color chosen. If I want only computer to be changed, then I will select that word and select the color. If I want that it should have a background color also, then select the text, click on background fill. Now if you will click it, then you have a background color now. One thing you must know while working on the text tool, till the time this edit box is coming, we can do the changes in this text. Even if once we have clicked outside this text box, like somewhere else, like here, we cannot change any anything in this text written. If we want any changes to be done right now, only then we can do till the edit box is there. Otherwise we will not be able to change anything in this text. Like if I want to change it now, yes, I can change it. But now I am clicking on the left, on the other side, on outside this text box, then I will not be able to do any change. See, now I am writing something else. If I want to write, see, my background is already there, orange color I have selected. But if I don't want any background, then I will click on background. Again it has been deselected, so now I have no background. Now I am typing some another text, ICE. Fine. Now if I want to change text size, so I will select this text, and from here font size, you can select any text size, any font size you want. If you want to increase, then change it to a big number like this. It has been done. But if I want to decrease the text size, then I will select a smaller number. Earlier I was having 36. That is your choice, whatever you want to do. Fine. This is how we can use text tool in MS Paint.